Good evening, student. This is your math workbook of class 7. Now we are continuing chapter 6. So today we will start worksheet 6.2. In previous video we have done worksheet 6.1. So student, this is true false type exercise. So you have to read the statement. If statement are correct, then write true. And statement are wrong, then write false F. So now start the worksheet. First is, in a triangle, 3 altitude can be drawn. Yes, in any triangle have 3 altitude. Second, a triangle may have 2 right angles, so it is false, because in any triangle have only 1 right angle, not 2. Question third, median are unequal in length in a scalene triangle, so it is true, because in scalene triangle all sides are equal, then median also unequal. Question number 4, all altitude are equal in length in a equilateral triangle, so it is true, because equilateral triangle all sides are equal, then altitude also equal. Question number 5, in a scalene triangle altitude lie in the interior of the triangle, so it is false. 6, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle, so it is true. Suppose this is the triangle, so the exterior triangle is sum of the two opposite interior opposite angle, इन दोनों का सम इक्वल होगा इस सम के, so it is true. From 7, it is possible to have triangle in which each angle is less than 60 degree. It is true. It is possible to have a triangle in which each angle is less than 60. So student, this is false, because it is not possible. So all triangle, maybe 1 or 2 angles is less than 60, because we know that the sum of triangle is 180. So in any triangle 1 or 2 angle is less than, should be less than 60, but all angle no, so it is false. Question number 8, a triangle is said to be equilateral if each one of its sides has different length, so it is false. Question number 9, the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is smaller than length of third side, it is false, because sum of two side of triangle is always greater than the third side, not a smaller. 10, the sum of any two angles of a triangle is always greater than the third angle, so it is not possible, it is false, because 90 degree and two other angle is acute angle, so it is equal to 90, and one is obtuse, then two other angle is acute, so it is less than obtuse angle, so it is false. Now student, question number 2, true false with justification. So first is, in every triangle sum of square of two side of equal to the square of the third side, so false, because this is true only for right angle triangle. Now the second, sum of two sides of a triangle is greater or equal to the third side, so false, because sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Third is, the difference between the length of any two sides of triangle is smaller than the length of third side, so it is true. Fourth, the sum of the measure of three angles of a triangle is greater than 180, so it is false, because the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Question number 5, it is possible to have a right angle equilateral triangle, false, because in an equilateral triangle each angle is 60 degree. क्योंकि इक्वल ट्रायंगल में जितने भी एंगल होते हैं सभी 60 डिग्री के होते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज वर्क 6.2.